I'm Luke with CompanyCam, and if you'll give me 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you what smart photos are and how they can help your solar company, starting now. Smart photos are photos that have information connected to them. You know where that photo was taken, who took it, and when they took it. Now you can also draw on the photos, you can write comments that stay connected to the photo. And these smart photos instantly sync from the field to the office. You'll have a full photo library of every project you've ever done, so you can always find the photo that you need. Now beyond that, it acts like a Facebook feed for your company, so you can see exactly what's going on at every project in real time. You don't have to be on the phone all day, driving around in your truck, trying to keep track of all your jobs. So if your guys are out installing a solar panel, they can be taking photos all day so that you know exactly what's happening in the moment. You can send these photos to the third-party financing. You can send them to the customer so that they know that this was a quality install, so that you get paid, and so that you are on top of that whole process way easier than you were before. Every photo your guys take in the field is going to be instantly available to whoever does your marketing, so that you can be dragging those photos and sharing them on Facebook, popping them onto your website. You can be constantly sharing photos of your beautiful work. Guys, I know if you start taking smart photos that you'll be saving time, you'll be saving money, and you will be seeing your business like never before. So please, try it free for 2 weeks and see how it works for you.